Buenos días, muchachos. Estoy aquí para enseñarles la A personal. Les voy a hablar en inglés para que entiendan todo. ¿Está bien? Okay, the A personal. You use the word A, in front of a direct object in a Spanish sentence when the direct object is a person or people. Got it? Okay, that's it. We're done. No, I'm kidding. Okay, we're going to keep going. So the A personal. When the direct object in a sentence is a person or a group of people, you have to put an A in front of it. So that means you have to remember what a direct object is. Direct object in a sentence, it's whatever's being verbed. Whatever the verb is, let's say what's being written, what's being sold, what's being bought, what's being said, what's being kicked, etc. If whatever that thing is, that's the direct object. Okay? As opposed to an indirect object, what's being sold or written to or for somebody, that's the indirect, but whatever's being written or sold, that's the direct object. So you can ask yourself, is something being verbed? If it is, that's your direct object. And when that direct object is a person or a group of people, you have to use the word a. Okay? Let me give you an example. Veo a Maria. Right? I see Maria. Notice that you don't translate that word. In English, you wouldn't use that. You wouldn't translate it. I don't want you translating anyways, but veo a Maria. I see Maria. Why do I need the a? Because the direct object is a person. The direct object is whatever's being seen. Happens to be Maria. She happens to be a person. I have to put an a in front of it. Here's some more examples. Invitamos a tu familia. We invite your family. Do the same process. How do I know do I need an a there? Someone being invited? Yeah. Are they people? Yes. There's the a personal. Okay? Here's another example. We can see that. Miramos a los niños. We watch the children. And there's a final example. Llamé a Carlos. I called Carlos. Okay? Now, there's one exception. All right? Every time the direct object is a person or people, you need a personal a, except in one case. That's after the verb tener. So after tener, you don't use it. Tengo una familia grande. The direct object is a group of people, right? What's had? A big family. Group of people, but I don't use the a. I don't know why that is. You just don't use it with tener. Okay? This is fairly straightforward, but there's a couple of questions. What about pets? Busco el perro. I'm looking for the dog. Could you use the a personal with your pet? Busco al perro. I guess it all depends how you feel about your pet. Okay? Notice this? You know what that is, right? That's the a personal plus el. El perro, an el, al. Works that way with the a personal. Okay, I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to give you guys a quiz. All right, I'm going to hit pause again. Write it down. Decide if you need the a personal or not. If you have any questions, make sure you write those down too and ask your teacher.